This video will demonstrate how to customize the appearance of your app based on the screen size you're working on. You can achieve this by hovering over the column you'd like to customize and click the mobile phone icon from the edit options. Here you can choose how large the column should appear based on device size. To get a better understanding of sizes, keep in mind that each row is divided into 12 equal columns. So if you select a column to be 4 out of 12, it will take up a third of the row. If you select 12 out of 12, it will take up the entire width of the row. You can also choose to hide columns by device type by checking the boxes under visibility. This can be useful if you are creating multiple columns for different device types. For example, on large devices, you might display your data in a table, whereas on smaller devices, you might use lists.